Hi, I'm Ajit Nair and I'm representing ProArc Welding and Cutting Systems. Welcome to our virtual booth at IMTEX Exhibition 2018. Today we'll be talking about the Altis Schneiden Model. This is one of our latest machines that we offer in the CNC Plasma Cutting Range. This Altis Schneiden machine that we have offered here is with an XPR 300 plasma system from Hyperthumb. This is the latest plasma system with an Industry 4.0 standard. This machine has a cutting capacity of 45 mm thickness, that is a piercing capacity, and an edge cutting of 80 mm for mild steel. We can cut various ferrous and non-ferrous material on this, from mild steel, stainless steel, aluminium, copper, brass, titanium, any metal you name it, and it can be cut on this machine. This is a very heavy duty machine. We have actually very recently changed the design of our machine, made it more robust. This machine, if you see here, it's got a dual LM guide system. This is used for a very precise motion of the carriage. Apart from that, we have a very strong master truck system and a slave truck system here. This gives a lot of rigidity to the machine and can help reduce the vibrations while cutting. We have a heavy duty railway rail on which the machine runs. And one of the major USP for this machine is we use helical rack and pinion. As you know, helical rack and pinion has a much better power transmission as compared to a spur rack and pinion. This machine has an automatic torch height controller, and it also has an anti-collision system. So when we have any external objects, and if the torch station collides with the external object, then you have a magnetic disengagement and the machine stops. So this is a safety feature of this machine. Apart from that, we have a very new HMI that we have displayed here. We have a dedicated operator booth for this machine. As you see, this HMI is a touchscreen based interface. So it is a very easy to use interface for an operator. The skill level required for using this machine is very low. The data transfer here can be through USB, through Wi-Fi or LAN, because this is a Windows based interface. This controller has some special features like standard shape library, auto plate alignment. It's got technology tables so that the plasma source can directly communicate with the controller. So this is what we have to show you, and we invite you to our factory in Pune. Thank you.